During the Great Depression, Americans were faced with unprecedented unemployment and other financial hardships. Throughout the 1930s, the federal government passed numerous laws to help the country recover and help individual Americans in need, including the Social Security Act. In Helvering v. Davis, we'll look at one of the first challenges to the Social Security Act's tax on employee wages. The Social Security Act was enacted in 1935 as part of President Franklin Roosevelt's New Deal program. Title II of the Social Security Act created the Old Age Reserve Account in the United States Treasury, which would distribute monthly old age benefits to eligible parties over 65 years old. The reserve account would be funded by a special income tax that was deducted from employee wages. Before Congress passed the act, the Committee on Economic Security, federal government advisory groups, and state commissions conducted research about the impact of the old age benefit tax on employees, and the commissions reported their findings to Congress. The House of Representatives Committee on Ways and Means and the Senate Committee on Finance also conducted extensive hearings on the issue. The research generally supported passing the act because the committees found that the United States had an aging population and that about 75% of people over 65 years old relied on financial support from other people. There was also a preference for younger employees in the workforce, particularly employees who were under 40 years old, which led to limited opportunities for older employees to make money. After the Social Security Act went into effect, George Davis, a shareholder in Edison Electric Illuminating Company, sued Edison Electric to prevent the company from complying with the act. Davis argued that the act's special income tax on employees was unconstitutional because it was a new tax that wasn't listed in the Constitution. The district court found that the tax was constitutional. Davis appealed. The Court of Appeals reversed. The United States Supreme Court granted cert, and the federal government, represented by Guy Helvering, the Commissioner of Internal Revenue, intervened on Edison Electric's behalf.